Will the Joe Biden administration stop using Shiba Inus? Citing the several failures of the previous year, the White House released a statement alerting people to the dangers associated with cryptocurrencies. The statement began by summarizing a challenging year for the cryptocurrency space, including the demise of FTX and Terra, but also pointing out that there didn't seem to be any spillover from the sector to the larger financial system. We'll discuss the Joe Biden administration's efforts to eliminate Shiba Inus in this video. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. One of the most talked about cryptocurrencies in 2023 is Shiba Inu, whose price increased by 7% in a single day. Many investors are now interested in learning more about SHIB's future and whether it's a wise investment as a result of this. The price of Shiba Inus has increased by more than 60% this year, indicating a fantastic start to the year. They have firmly established themselves as one among the best performing cryptocurrencies of 2023 after hitting an intraday high of $0.15. The improved state of the economy is said to have contributed to the Shiba Inu coin's rising trend by giving investors hope and motivating them to participate in the cryptocurrency market. Additionally, the success of this asset was significantly influenced by these macroeconomic circumstances. The impending introduction of the Shibarium L2 blockchain, which is based on the Ethereum mainnet and is backed by Shiba Inu, also helped the Shiba Inu gain greater popularity. The SHIB price rebound was reportedly fueled by news of Shibarium's November 14 debut, according to Cointelegraph. The U.S. Central Bank's 25 basis point interest rate cut also had a significant effect on the mood of the cryptocurrency market. The growing regulation of cryptocurrencies as a digital payment mechanism is another aspect that can help the cryptocurrency market. The CEO and founder of Morgan Creek Capital Management, Mark Yusku, believes that because of favorable macroeconomic conditions and expectations that the BTC will have, the cryptocurrency bull market is probably going to start earlier than expected. As was already mentioned, SHIB's price has increased by about 60% this year. The rise, nevertheless, could be related to the impending launch of Shibarium, a Layer 2 blockchain constructed on the Ethereum mainnet and supported by Shiba Inus. In an effort to reduce the amount of SHIB meme tokens available, the Shiba Inu community has taken extraordinary steps. Shiba Inu wallets that are now in use are losing almost 502% more coins than they did before, indicating that their efforts are paying off handsomely. One reason for the increasing value of tokens is that a portion of them are burnt, meaning they are taken out of circulation. Because of the decreased general supply, there is a higher demand for it, which drives up the price. The excitement around the leading meme cryptocurrency has caused Shiba Inu to surpass the majority of digital asset markets. At $0.1461, SHIB has increased in value by over 80% since the start of the year and by more than 32% within the previous 7 days. The Shiba Inu ecosystem is looking forth to the release of Shibarium, a scaling solution developed on top of Ethereum that is comparable to Polygon, as its next layer update. The cryptocurrency Bitget revealed a few days ago that SHIBASWAP, the token used on Shibarium for gas expenses, had been listed. According to Bitget, the SHIB army will be able to cast votes on future proposals thanks to BONE, the SHIBASWAP ecosystem's governance token. The user's vote will have greater weight in future endeavors the more BONE they own. There are 250 million tokens in total on BONE. BONE has lost more than 3% of its value in the previous day to $1.79. The 110th ranked cryptocurrency asset has gained more than 62% during the last 30 days, nevertheless. At now, BONE's market capitalization exceeds $411 million. A petition was started last week by Shiba Inu lovers and supporters to convince Binance, the biggest cryptocurrency exchange globally, to list BONE. The purpose of this petition is to respectfully ask Binance to add the BONE token to the trading list. Let's push Binance to board this train ahead of the first conventional brokerage. The proposal has not yet received a response from Binance, but last month the cryptocurrency exchange pledged 4 trillion Shib tokens, or around $35 million. Following the announcement by Shiba Inu developers that BONE would serve as Shibarium's utility coin, the Shiba Inu community has launched many campaigns and petitions in the past to promote its goals and desires. A significant historical example is the Shiba Army's effort to list the Shiba Inu coin on the Robinhood market, which received the signatures of 559,559 supporters. The Shiba Inu Army is now requesting that the government be included in the new petition. The governance token on the world's biggest cryptocurrency exchange, Binance, of the decentralized exchange SHIBASWAP BONE. Currently active on change.org, the petition has received close to 1,500 votes so far. The creator of Shiba Inu, Ryoshi, went under a pseudonym when he launched the decentralized exchange SHIBASWAP. The Shiba Army will be able to vote on future ideas using BONE, the SHIBASWAP ecosystem's governance token. The decentralized autonomous organization of SHIBASWAP, DoggyDAO, will be the venue for voting on this proposal. The more BONE tokens a user has, the more influence they will have in these upcoming projects. The 250 million BONE tokens that are in circulation will be used to cover the gas costs associated with Shiba Inu's much-anticipated Layer 2 scalability protocol, Shibarium. According to the most recent information, this month's November 14th will mark the premiere of Shibarium. Additionally, principal developer Shidoshi Kazama has affirmed that the launch of Shibarium is scheduled to proceed as planned. The petition also states that Shib, BONE, and Leash will spearhead the DeFi revolution's subsequent phase. It goes on to say that SHIBASWAP's advanced and cutting-edge passive income reward system enables users to dig, provide liquidity, bury, stake, and trade tokens in order to generate significant profits. The Shib Army may also obtain portfolio trackers and impending NFTs via our site, which makes navigating the cryptocurrency world easy. This Shib Army petition would undoubtedly be quite significant if it were to be successful. The biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, Binance, will provide the BONE tokens with enormous liquidity. As a result, BONE owners and other participants in the Shiba ecosystem will have greater authority. The native coin of Shiba Inu is trading at a massive 13% for $0 and 1,417 cents. Shib is still ranked among the top 15 crypto assets, even with all of the market turbulence over the last year. The White House recently released a statement alerting people to the dangers of cryptocurrencies and citing the many crashes that occurred last year. The speech began with a recap of the challenging year for cryptocurrency. Regarding the statement, a senior administration official stated, "We continue to push forwards on the administrative front, implementing many of the recommendations of the executive order and encouraging regulators to continue their efforts to ramp up enforcement and crack down on bad practices in the space." The official expressed hope that Congress would take strong action to address needs in this area. Declaring the approach dual-tracked, the official added, the person cited legislative measures, such as the letter on cryptocurrency regulation from Senate Banking Committee Chairman Sherrod Brown to Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen, and said that the White House's own initiatives will be concentrated on matters such as carrying out the executive order's recommendations. The statement from last week made reference to other declarations made by the administration, including the framework on digital assets and comments released by federal agencies, which included a joint statement from bank regulators last week. However, the last year's events highlight the need for more. Agencies have increased their efforts to combat fraud, particularly in light of the many false or deceptive claims that the FDIC insures cryptocurrency investments. Additionally, despite the fact that the U.S. is already at the forefront of the world's efforts to stop the funding of terrorism and money laundering, law enforcement organizations are investing more funds to stop illegal activity using digital assets. According to the statement, we were very mindful of the need to implement many of the safeguards that were called for in the FSOC reports, especially in light of the events of last fall. Such include separating client assets, gaining more insight into vertically linked businesses, and addressing conflicts of interest within the jurisdiction of the spot market, and that's a large list. However, the official said, I believe they're all essential to our process for guaranteeing that we'll be safeguarding customers and promoting financial stability. We're done for today. Remember to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to see our most recent videos.